Hello, friends. How was the winter getting you? Did I hear a cough? How did you catch the cough? Are you having a cough and is it getting in the middle of your long day? Is it slowing you down? And of course, who carries a cough syrup in the handbag every day? Welcome to the world of mudras. To do Garudamudra, all you have to do is join these two thumbs and then stretch out the rest of the fingers like that. Let me repeat. Garudamudra is done by joining the two thumbs of both the hands and then stretching out the rest of the fingers like that. Do this 5 to 10 minutes every day, in the morning and in the evening. You will see the difference.